Creating a Zoom meeting link is a straightforward process, especially if you're the host. Here's a concise guide. Sign in to Zoom. Log into your Zoom account using the Zoom desktop app or web portal. Host a meeting. Click the Host a Meeting button. You can choose between with video on or with video off depending on whether you want your video to start on or off by default. Schedule a meeting. If you want to schedule a future meeting, click Schedule instead. Set the meeting details like date, time, and any other preferences. Start the meeting. If you're hosting an instant meeting, you can start it immediately. A new window will open with your video and meeting controls. Invite participants. In the meeting window, click Participants or Invite. You can invite participants by sharing the meeting link, sending an email invitation, or copying and sharing the meeting ID. Copy meeting link. Click Copy invitation to get the meeting link, including the URL and relevant meeting details. You can paste this link in emails, chat messages, or calendar invites. Meeting controls. During the meeting, you have access to various controls to manage participants, share screens, and more. End the meeting. When the meeting is over, click End Meeting to close the session.